Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn about how to duplicate or draw a parallel line automatically to a polyline in ArcGIS. So let's begin. Add your vector data which is in line feature class. Suppose I want to draw a parallel line along this river. So firstly I have to check it, its properties. It should be in projected coordinate system, UTM zone. Okay. Then click on your vector file and start editing. See, to enable this copy parallel feature, you have to select a feature class on which you want to draw a parallel. So I am selecting this feature. Now you can check this copy parallel is enabled. Click on that. I am keeping the offset 30 meter. Okay, on both sides. Beveled. Okay. You can change it to left or right. On either side you can have, and you can change the corners also. Okay. See, on both sides. Now, if you want to save this feature class, go to your file, click on data, export data, and browse your folder. River.shp, save. Okay. Do you want to export it? Yes. So you can check a new shapefile with this parallel lines of on both sides of river. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.